Welcome to Take channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use your Windows Spotlight images as your desktop wallpaper. Now, if you have no idea what I'm talking about, then just right click on your computer, then just go to Personalize. From here, just go to Background. In Personalize See Your Background, just select Windows Spotlight and you'll find an image here. Now basically this image changes and you cannot keep one static here. Now, to get all the Windows Spotlight wallpapers, what you need to do is find the path where all the wallpapers are saved. So we're gonna do that. Just close this. Just go to your start. Just hit on run. Then just go to the video description. In there, you'll find these two commands. Just copy the first one and paste it in here and click on OK. And in here, you'll find all the Windows Spotlight wallpaper files. Just copy all this, paste it in your pictures and name this as Windows Spotlight. And then just open this and paste everything here. Now what you need to do is change the name of all the things to .jpeg. Just rename all the files to .jpeg and you'll find all the Spotlight images here. Just keep doing this. And there you go. I have found one which I would like as my wallpaper. So just right click on it and click on Set as Desktop Background. Then just minimize this and there you go. And basically that is how to set your Windows Spotlight images as your wallpaper. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.